Hey guys, it's Teehee Haha coming at you here with a video. Going to show you guys what I'm working on. So the first thing I'm working on is a graphical interface for launching characters and character management. Here's the copy I'm working with on my computer. It's GUI test. So I'm going to right click and run as administrator. As you can see, I've got a few fake accounts in here. You can double click and edit it. I did put a version on GitHub already that does work. You just have to fill the accounts, names, password, characters, and stuff like that based on the accounts.ini file. So you can view that on the GitHub if you want. I'll be updating that slowly as it gets closer to completion. Like I said, there are a few kinks and extra features I'm trying to add to it right now, but I did want to show it to you guys. So we're going to go ahead and exit that and show you what else I've been working on. The next thing I've been working on is a multi-account control, so you can run like a macro team. So we're going to right click multi and run as administrator, and here's my script. Basically F2 is going to launch my team, so I'm going to push F2 and the team will launch. The first one's going to launch. The window name's renamed to leader. It's the character that I drive on, which is a healer. Then the second account should pop up in a second, and it's going to rename to healer, which is a shaman. And then the third account's going to pop up in just a second, renamed to caster, which is a warlock. So once those are loaded, we're going to push another hotkey, which is F3. And what that will do is it will rearrange these windows on the screen so that we can kind of see them all at once and stuff like that. So once we see the warlock in game, we're going to push F3 to rearrange them. So there we go. Alright, so he's loaded. We got all three characters loaded. We'll push F3. It's rearranged them. These are 800 by 600 windows. I didn't redo the GUI or anything. You can pretty much do whatever resolution or move the windows wherever you want. This was just, like I said, a sample to show you guys how it's coming along. So basically, first off, what I want to do is invite these guys to the group, and I'm just going to do that manually. Accept. Now what I want to do is we're going to stick up and we're going to run to a dungeon. So I'm going to push F7, which is going to make them assist me, and then G to stick to me. We're going to run over here to the teleporter. We're going to push F7 so that they target him, and I'm going to bring up this window so I can make sure I spell it right. So we're going to push 0, which is going to ask us to send text. We're going to type /whisper, and we're going to port to Vinselfast and push enter. Alright, we all just teleported there. Now we're going to target myself. Actually, we'll just target the teleporter guy here and push G so everybody sticks to him. And we're going to go to Spindlehala. So we're going to push 0 again, whisper to him, Spindlehala. Everybody's going to port there. Oop, clicked out of the window. Alright, and click myself so that they will stick to me. And we're going to run and zone in. So here we are, we're zoning in. Once we're zoned in, we're going to buff up, and then we'll go just kill a few sample mobs. So we're all zoomed in. You're stuck to me. Yep. Alright, so first off we need to, I'm going to make them face me so that they spread out. So first off we need to buff, so we're going to target the shaman and push F6, which is my hotkey, to assist, and then I'll do bases and he'll do spec. So here we go. Alright, now we're going to buff the warlock, so we'll target him, we'll push F6. And then I'll target myself so that I get specs. Alright, so we're ready. We'll push F7 so they get me. And then we'll push G to stick. And then we're going to push V to sprint. So everybody's sprinting. We're running along. I'm going to push 2 to activate the Warlock's Powerless Primer, as you saw it activate down there. And let's just PBA these down. So I'm going to push 4, which will make the the healer and the shaman heal, and it'll make the Warlock PBAE. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here. And I'm going to push 3 to switch his primer to Powerless. That way I can just kill those off real quick. And there you have it. I do have other keys programmed on here as well, so we can actually push F7. They will assist me. I'm going to push face. They're going to face the stinger, and as you can see on his bar, 7 is the bolt and 5 is single target nuke. So I'll push 7 up here on the healer, and he's going to bolt, and then 5 will make him start single targeting. So here we go. 7, he's casting bolt. 5 is the single target nuke. And then we'll PBA once because he's here. And we got this other snake that added. So we're going to switch to our primer for Powerless. And then PBE real quick. Which we may not have any mana. Yeah, we don't have any mana, so we're out of power. So we'll push that and see if we can't get off a Powerless cast. Yep, we did. Nope, we got a rat. And it's dead. So I'm going to push F7, make sure everybody's stuck up. And we will head out of the instance now. We farmed whatever we needed and we're done. So like I said, you can set up any keys you want, just I only set up a few for testing purposes. Like I said, I've been splitting my time on the GUI. I'd like to get it done first and then fine tune this a bit. There are a couple of bugs and kinks that need to be worked out, but as you see, it is functional and allows you to do that. We're piggybacking off of Rob's Kill Mutex program to be able to launch 3 characters, more than 2 Deox. You can find that on his website, mojoware.org, and then there is a button at the top that says scripting, mojoware.org, source code, and you can find it right here, Kill Mutex. And he's got the compiled version as well as source code if you're interested in that. So basically that's all there is to it. Appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully I'll get something released soon. Like I said, there are some stuff on the GitHub, so you can github/teehee, and it's under Deox multi-client stuff. And there should be a link down below in the description, as well as a link to the Discord. Appreciate you guys watching.